Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play air on the G string on the piano. This beautiful piece, originally by Bach, is in the key of C major, meaning there are no sharps or flats to worry about. The time signature is 4/4, so each measure contains 4 beats. Start by placing your right hand with your thumb on middle C, and your left hand with your fifth finger on the C an octave below middle C. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start. Now let's focus on the right-hand melody, which carries the main theme. The piece opens with a sustained C held for 2 beats, followed by a beautiful descending line. You'll play E, D, C, B, A, and G. For the initial C, use your thumb, then transition to your third finger for E, second for D, and thumb again for C. Remember to connect these notes smoothly, creating a flowing, lyrical sound. The left hand provides the harmonic foundation and a gentle, flowing accompaniment. It primarily plays arpeggiated chords, starting with a C major arpeggio, C, E, G, C. Use your fifth finger for the low C, third for E, second for G, and thumb for the higher C. Focus on a smooth, even sound, ensuring the left hand supports the melody without overpowering it. The bass line often holds notes for 2 or 4 beats, creating a sense of calm. To master this beautiful piece, begin by practicing each hand independently until you feel completely comfortable with both parts. Once confident, slowly combine your hands, focusing on precise coordination and a balanced sound. Remember to bring out the right hand melody, allowing it to sing above the gentle left hand accompaniment. Aim for a consistent, unhurried tempo, which truly captures the serene and contemplative nature of Bach's air. Enjoy the process of bringing this timeless music to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.